Bungkus.
Myntri ke Sorkar Pdeng ki Kamri jengri jongri India Dr. L Murugan menhakar tarik walawan segala Meghalaya ban jurip ki Kamri jengri hakane kejela kentup ye ke Kamri Dohkha bat keri merat hak juga por ulwan jong aru ye ki nong ilam jong ke BJP ha Meghalaya ban tibnya ye ki skim Sorkar Pdeng ba kejela Meghalaya kayo bat kumno ketrikam Uneu Myntri ulong bak Sorkar Pdeng kapele jungmut kumno ban yele ban sena ye ki jingtei ki bede bat ki kampen roy ha ke Kamri Dohkha ha ke negeri India baro kawai.
Aigo.
So 24 hours water, fresh water. Doctor है आपके पास वेटनरी डॉक्टर?
Yes, sir. They used to come from ICR.
ICR daily?
Scientists,
Daily is coming?
twice a month.
Twice a month.
They used to come for research.
Come little back.
Agricultural University,
So 20 years before you started?
yes, 20 years my mother father started. Now we have so much problem because of this loan. We have invested very well in the taking loan.
Bat kene ke jingirap kalong kumban kersian ki nong ri Dohkha kumban sena ye ki jeka sena tha ka jeka bu ban pendai tha ka jeka thep ye ki Dohkha bat ula konturu ye ki pajba bakin shim ka bu ye kene ke kampen roy haba ajingkran uneun Myntri ulong ba Sorkar Pdeng kan penlut kumba arpo hajar klur teka ha gene ki san snem ki banwan kata na dus nem hajar arpo wei hadus nem hajar arpusan ban kentiu ye ki Kamri Dohkha hari India kumba kalong menta kadon kejing dawa ka bajur bah ban jalan ye ki Dohkha nari India syabari kumba kalong wan Pdeng jong ka klam COVID-19 na India la jalan Dohkha syabari hadu sanpo khandai hajar klur tengka mentau snem Myntri ke Sorkar Pdeng ula pentip si kinong rep ya ke bak Sorkar Pdeng kalbu ye ki jaj skim baper ban kentiu ye ki Kamri Dohkha hari India bat hapa pai pat sia ke jela Meghalaya ke bawluan jongo hagine kisngi ya ki jaka ri Dohkha ula penpau ye ke jing sungu hun jongu ye ke jing pentere kam ye ki skim ri Dohkha hapo kene ke jela habai keren bat uba HB maring ubari wei na ginong yo jeng mentoi na kene ke skim ula penpau ye ke jing Kmen ke bakrau na marlang ba jong ne ke skim na ke Sorkar Pdeng ula la ban penlong kum ke kam ke jam ye u nang ta ke bawla laru ban ai kam ajam palat arpo Ngut ke Nongtrei ha kene ke Pung ri Dohkha ye ke belebu ha Umeit hari Bhoi district la senran yo Myntri ke Sorkar Pdeng beri pej ye ke Kamri jengri usri Dr. L Murugan dau Deputy Commissioner jongri Bhoi district usri Arpit Upadhyaya nang tau Superintendent of Police ke Bhoi district Ugiri Prasad bat kiwe officer Sorkar
Ki juga fisheries department lala baliang kadu ni lagi join kejar ka jing kerdu kam kerdu jam ni ka jing jar ka kam ka jam ni ka juk ke jengi banta ka jing don tingkat ba fisheries department tingkat ni samla jok beri neutral nami sakmat le ngin skam ba bintang kiu susu abaro piliang ai problem system man sa jing sebun kerja paham mesti macam ni la banyeng dan kultiu la dia harus
Kejap skimi itu pio,
ICR उनका हेल्प कर रहा है
skim ni la yo na ICR na CU na ka series department juga Meghalaya
Kanu jing yo anu. Jing yo monthly jimi.
jimi tu ingin dayo bon tanra namar bala bon ginong trei bon di Jakab ni hapulut keleng kabai ti kabanyo jingi profit ulang ma sampo ajar sebelah mata ginong trei bon dan ada ke arnyo mulai pungut.
Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji ने 2014 he came government. We are now 8 years completed. After 8 years, Prime Minister schemes implemented all over the country. So now all the schemes, it is in, whether it is in Prime Minister Awas Yojana, it is in Swachh Bharat Yojana, Ayushman Bharat, Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. Our Prime Ministers vision, our Prime Minister's mantra is Seva, and Seva ke saath transformation and Garib welfare, welfare for the poor. That is our motto. इसके साथ our government is moving. You see in our fishery sector, you can take it before 2014 or after 2014. In this Atmanirbhar package, fishery sector got 20,000 crore, first ever investment in this sector, 20,000 crore investment in this sector. So within 8 years, almost 32,500 crore investment in this field. Not only we are investing and we are promoting export, we are promoting the infrastructure development, fishing harbors development, landing centers development, seaweed cultivation, and cage technology. We are introducing technology in the fishing sector, even like this Himalaya areas, that hills areas, freshwater, aqua freshwater, cage culture, and seed catcheries, feed mills, our processing units. Our PMMSY, Prime Minister Matsya Sampada Yojana schemes is supporting, and also this animal husbandry field, we are modified the schemes. That is Rashtriya Gogol Mission we are brought, NLM figure, animal husband figure, cow and goat, poultry. So this also is a model entrepreneur scheme. We are meditation entrepreneur scheme. Our Prime Minister's vision is always we are encouraging the startup companies. So in this sector, we are encouraging the startup companies and individuals. Our youths they are not job seekers, they are job givers. That's why our department is promoting entrepreneurs in the feed mill or cow feeds. This type of schemes we are bringing. In these 8 years, in this sector, got first time as a ministry also, Fisheries Animal Husbandry, new ministry also. So I thank Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji to brought this 8 year, within the 8 year, there is a huge investment, and our export target also in 2024, our marine product export, we fixed as a target 1 lakh crore turnover. Even the pandemic period, our export is grown. Already our target is we achieved 59,000 crore in this year itself. So 2024 and 25, definitely we will achieve in the fishing sector 1 lakh crore. That I can see in the ground today itself. I visited 2-3 farmers, fish farmers field, and also I visited the fishing training center here. The youngsters, Mahila of this Meghalaya, they are voluntarily come forward and they are themselves involved and they are participated in the schemes.